everybody, how are you? It's Brianna. I'm back and I'm hungry, so let's go ahead and cook some dinner. We're gonna start with our chicken breasts. We're gonna cook them, clean them, and wash them off first, y'all. But I'm feeling good tonight. How are you? Along with our chicken breast tonight, we're gonna have some nice potatoes and red onions, and I'm thinking about making some homemade pico. To start our homemade pico, I'm going to be using our mandolin. It's basically a tool where you can put different size cuts in your food. I love it. It's so much easier than cutting everything up, but you do have to cut it up to a certain point. So to start our pico, we're cutting up our cucumbers and tomatoes, and I also added jalapeños in there so it's a little spicy. And then we're going to go in with our potatoes because that's what we're cooking. So instead of cutting it into squares myself, I'm just going to use the mandolin. And I'm also going to use the mandolin for our red onions as well. And we have some leftover Cajun sauce from the shrimp we had the other day, which was so good. So I'm going to add that in there with our potatoes and red onions. I'm just going to cook everything down and plate it up so we can eat tonight, y'all.